Highly blissfulness, everyone. It's your girl Nix, and today I wanted to just share a technique with you guys that has helped me during times of when I'm feeling anxious and overwhelmed. And I have experienced moments where stress feels like it's just too much to handle, and I couldn't find ways to ground myself. And until I accidentally found this technique, and trust me, this has been a game changer for me, and I wanted to share this, guys. I wanted to share this with you guys, all right? I would want to say I'm passionate about this technique because it has two different techniques combined together that has helped me. The first one is the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding technique, and I combine that with the breathing, with the mindful breathing technique as well. And together, these two, they have created a moment where I have calm amidst the chaos and the storm and all of the negative aspects of being ungrounded in our lives. So I wanted to make sure that I'm here to show you, or just tell you about this technique that has worked for me. So you're gonna see me looking over here because I need to go on my notes and tell you how this helped me. All right, so just bear with me. I want to emphasize the power of our breath. You do not know how much power you've got in your breath, and if you know how to use it, you'd be able to just shut the body down when it's going into fight or flight mode. And a lot of times we go into fight or flight mode because we get anxious and overwhelmed. And sometimes we're excited about something, but it's anxiousness, and it's a bit of both, and you're not sure which one it is. So with the breathing technique, which is the deep breathing, it can help you calm your nervous system and make sure that you're grounded in the present moment. And that's what I wanted to share with you, because that's what happened to me. I was feeling a bit overwhelmed, and then I started to get anxious, and I started to going into a panic attack. And I thought, no, I need to do this to take myself out of that. And this is what I want to share with you, all right? So we're going to start with our breathing. I want you to find a comfortable place. You see me catch up? I'm catch up comfortable. Put on my hoodie nice. Excuse me. I am cozy, all right? I'm going to take this off and talk to nothing now. Right, so I want you to find a comfortable position. And I want you to close your eyes, all right? Because we're going to do deep inhale. We're going to inhale deeply. So I want you to close your eyes, be in a comfortable position, and I want you to breathe through your nose. So listen to what I'm saying first. To breathe through your nose for a count of 4, all right? When you inhale on 4 counts, you hold. Then you count 1, 2, 3, 4 when you're holding, and then you exhale. So you inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale. And you do that again and again. All right, so let's try that again, all right? So we're gonna start off with breathing deeply through your nose. So you're gonna breathe deep. Keep on forgetting to say you are here and not here. You get me? You're gonna deeply breathe in through your nostrils. And you're gonna do that on 4. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale, right? That's how you're gonna do it. So each break you hold for 4, exhale for 4, inhale for 4, okay? Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4. Okie dokes? All right, we've done that now. So you've done that 2 or 3 times. And then the last time you're gonna hold, and then you're gonna exhale. as you breathe in, you're going to allow your body to start feeling that blood flow, that which is going to help you to relax and feel calm. You're going to feel it all over your body. You probably get goosebumps. So that's when you're knowing you're doing it right. All right. And now you're feeling a bit calmer. It's time to start the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 technique. First, I want to invite you to look around and notice 5 things that you can see. All right. So find 5 things that you can see. And take your time. There's no need to rush. You're going to take your time and truly observe them. When you find those 5 things, you're going to notice the color. You're going to notice the shape. You're going to describe them in your mind. You're going to allow yourself to focus on these things. All right? So remember that now. You're going to look for 5 things. And then you're going to look and observe them. See how they look, right? And the next step, you're going to move on to 4 things that you can touch. So you're going to find 4 things around your surrounding that you can touch, right? And when you find these 4 things that you can touch, you're going to make sure you feel the texture. You're going to make sure you feel, and it could be what you've got on, cozy little soft blanket you've got in your lap. It could be the tabletop. It could be, tissue. It could be your fingers, your nails. It could be your hair. It could be anything. Just allow yourself to connect with these sensations and then feel how the texture feel and appreciate, love everything about what you're actual feeling, the sensation you're getting. All right, that's it. Now you're gonna focus on 3 things that you can hear. So focus on 3 things you can hear, either like music playing in the background, the floorboards creaking above you because somebody's upstairs, or your appliances are humming like the fridge or the washing machine is going off. Just listen to the surrounding, or perhaps it's in the daytime and the birds are out chirping, the dogs are barking. Just listen to your environment and let those sounds ground you, because those are the natural things. All right, the last 2 things, you're gonna notice something that you can smell. You're gonna take a deep breath in and you're gonna notice the smell around you. It could be the smell of you burning your candles, or you just burn a piece of ginger, or you just smudged the whole house, or you just cooked some food, or you just had a bath and you have your nice body mist on. It could be anything, but just let your awareness deepen your relaxation. All right, that is so cool to let that happen. And then finally, you're gonna focus on 1 thing, and that 1 thing you're gonna focus on is something that you can taste. So either you just had like a glass of wine, or you were eating an orange or apple, or you just kissed your partner. Or the taste in your mouth. It could be something that you probably just bit into. Anything that you notice that is going to take that feeling, that taste buds tingling. You're going to appreciate, love that, and you're going to act on it by being present with it. All right, and then to finish off our practice, what we're going to do, and to finish off the practice, you're just going to return to your breathing. You're gonna inhale on 4, hold on 4, exhale on 4, and then you're gonna do that around 2 or 3 times. And when you do that, you're gonna allow yourself to feel calm, peaceful, rejuvenated, and so relaxed. All right. Thank you for joining me on this grounding and breathing exercise. And I hope you guys really truly find a moment of peace. And just remember, you can return to these techniques anytime you need to. All right, it's something that you're going to practice. You're going to practice over and over, and you're going to allow yourself to be centered and grounded. Okay, dear? So that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. That has helped me so much. And in times of, needs where I am getting physical attack by the bills and etc., I use this to help stimulate, the natural flow of my body so I can cope with these, uncertainties, and I won't be so anxious and my blood pressure won't go up. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and come back for more. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. But take a screenshot of your IG, so when them say you a street, you know I might do that. Full up a style.